Hello everyone, myself Deepika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Basada, Karnal. Today in this video we are going to discuss about carbon monoxide poison and ammonia poison. Carbon monoxide poisoning may occur as a result of industrial or household incidents or attempted suicide. It is implicated in more deaths than any other toxin except alcohol. Carbon monoxide exerts its toxic effect by binding to circulating hemoglobin and thereby reducing the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड कैसे अपना टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट जनरेट करता है? सबसे पहले वो जो हमारा सर्कुलेटिंग हीमोग्लोबिन है उसके साथ बाइंड करता है एंड देन वहाँ पे रिड्यूस करता है ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी को इन द ब्लड. Sign of carbon monoxide poisoning. First one is headache, nausea, dizziness, breathlessness, collapse, loss of consciousness. So these are the sign of carbon monoxide poisoning. Management. The first step is to remove the affected individual away from further exposure to the carbon monoxide source. Administering 100% oxygen via a tightly fitting mask with an inflated face seal is the first treatment. A high concentration of oxygen in the air being breathed will speed up the formation of oxyhemoglobin to replace carboxyhemoglobin. The severity of the carbon monoxide exposure can be checked by measuring the amount of carbon monoxide in the air breathed out by the individual or by taking a blood sample and measuring the carboxyhemoglobin levels and taking these laboratory tests along with the clinical signs and symptoms present in the affected person. This involved placing the individual in a sealed pressure chamber similar to those used in treating decomposition sickness in drivers and exposing the person to oxygen at high pressure. Using this technique, there is greater penetration of oxygen at tissue level and oxygen displaces carboxyhemoglobins from the red cells more quickly. Next is ammonia poison. Ammonia is a strong and colorless gas. If gas is dissolved in water, it is called liquid ammonia. अगर हम अमोनिया को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं then it is known as liquid ammonia. Poisoning may occur if person breathe in ammonia. Poisoning may also occur if person swallow or touch products that contain very large amount of ammonia. अमोनिया जी की जो poisoning होती है या तो कोई भी पर्सन अमोनिया के कांटेक्ट में रह के ब्रीथिंग कर लेता है तब आपकी अमोनिया पॉइजनिंग हो सकती है, या फिर अगर उसको पर्सन स्वेलो कर लेता है, या फिर कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिनमें लार्ज अमाउंट में अमोनिया प्रेजेंट है एंड उन प्रोडक्ट्स को हम टच करते हैं तो भी हमें जो अमोनिया पॉइजनिंग होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. ट्रीटमेंट. इफ़ द पर्सन ब्रीथ इन द पॉइजन, इमीडिएटली मूव हिम और हर टू फ्रेश एयर. If the chemical is on the skin or on the eyes, flush with the loads of water for at least 15 minutes. Management of toxic exposure to ammonia is largely supportive and medical therapy is directed at hypoxia, bronchospasm, acute lung injury, hypovolemia and burns the skin and eyes. Antibiotics and corticosteroids are controversial therapies following ammonia inhalation and ingestion exposures. Corticosteroids are recommended to treat bronchospasm in patients with underlying reactive airways disease and acute inhalation injury, or for chronic respiratory complication that follow an acute inhalation injury. Patients exercising signs of airways edema after caustic exposure may benefit from IV administration of dexamethasone in adult 10 mg, in children 0.6 mg per kg up to 10 mg maximum. So it's all about the carbon monoxide poisoning and ammonia poisoning. Thank you. Have a nice day.